How to fix TikTok live lag. So if you want to fix your TikTok live lag, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After that, you need to go with search, which will be on top or on the bottom, and search for TikTok. Now, once you've searched for TikTok, if you have any updates on your TikTok, just simply go and update it. Because if you have an outdated version, then you might find this kind of problems. So once you've updated your TikTok, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your settings. Now, under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of connection and sharing. Tap on it. Scroll down, go with private DNS. And here you need to go with private DNS, provide a host name. Once you've selected your private DNS, make sure that it is turned off. Or if it is not selected to off, you need to go and turn it off. Once you turn off your private DNS, now you need to go back and then find your TikTok application, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and then restart your device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.